Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little kit that I got from Hobbycraft in the UK, and all the Christmas crafting bits are half price at the minute. So don't walk to Hobbycraft to get your half price stuff. These stamps, £1. This big stamp, £2. This little stamp, £1. This ephemera kit, which is what we're using today, was £2.50. Bargains. These are all bargains. So yeah, if you're in the UK, head on down to Hobbycraft and grab yourselves one of these kits. So I'm sure they have kits very similar to this in the US as well. So yeah, if you don't know, if you've got an ephemera kit and you don't know what to do with it, hopefully today I'll be able to give you some ideas. So in this kit, you get a few die cuts. So there's a little basket with poinsettias and some little Christmas tree bits. There's a sleigh, a rocking horse, a fireplace with stockings, and Santa. So then there's also some, they're quite thick as well. They're not chipboard, but they're cardstock. Oh, they're die cuts as well. Look, they pop out. I thought they were stickers. These are the stickers. And I love that you get a few of each as well. So, and you get 2 sheets of stickers, which is perfect. And then you get some more die cuts with tags and little nutcrackers and everything. And you get 1, 2, 3 sheets of those, which is perfect. And then you get, oh, I'm throwing it about. And then you get 4 pieces of, which I'm assuming is about 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, which are really beautiful papers. So, I don't know what I'm going to make. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to use this kit for it. So, right, so first off, I've got my big trimmer out, and I'm going to cut it at 6. I'm going to do it 6.5 by 6.5, one sheet. And then I'm going to take the other pattern and I'm going to do 6.25 by 6.25. So don't forget, keep your strips. Right, let's get rid of this big beast. Right, and now I have my score pal, and now score at 1 inch, and then quarter turn, 1 inch, another quarter turn, 1 inch, and another quarter turn. And then do the same with this piece. So 1 inch, quarter turn, 1 inch, quarter turn, 1 inch, quarter turn. Right, so make sure that you've got your card the way up that you want it, and then on each side cut these lines. So cut up there, if you want to ink the edges, I am going to ink the edges with my archival ink by Ranger in the colour Coffee. which it's not going to show up a lot, but it's just enough to give it a teeny little bit of definition. Right, so now the little flaps we want to glue onto the inside. For a couple of seconds, and do the same with the other side. And there you have your little lid. And now we're going to do the same with this one as well. And now we have a perfect little gift box. So check the writing on the bottom, and so it will be these two sides. That's much better. And then put it over the top, and it's easier to open. So I'm going to ink round all the edges now that it's glued together. Perfect. And now let's embellish. So, oh, it's just too cute. Right, so I'm going to mimic the underneath. My neutral baker's twine, just a small piece. In the background, ink around the edge. You can't really, I mean, you can see it on these, on this dark red, but and I quite like that. Shuffle that over, we could put that there. A little bit of an ink. They feel thicker. There's 2 sheets of the die cuts, and there's the deer doesn't want to let go. So you get an awful lot of die cuts in this pack for £2.50. It's an absolute bargain. So if we put that there, and then I don't know whether to have the rocking horse. No, that's too small. I think I'm going to go for the rocking horse. Let's stick some of these down. Take apart all your ephemera that you get in the kit. So that's all the die cuts, and it's good that you made a box because there's quite a few in this little pack. And I felt like this was missing something, so I have pulled out some of my Prima flowers, which I absolutely love, because I think this is what it's missing. I don't know if it needs two or one big one. And some little ones. And you want to tuck that behind him, and then yeah, maybe there. I'm not too sure which. No, I think it's this one. A little dab of glue and just park him there. Right, perfect. And now we have, turn the box round so we know which way it goes. And now we have a perfect little ephemera box. All your ephemera bits in. Used with the kit. So yeah, I really love that. Just for a quick make. Doesn't take you long. You can actually do this out of any size paper. It doesn't have to be the measurements that I did. So happy Saturday everybody, and have a fabulous weekend. And I hope you have fun making your little quick makes. Take care everybody. Bye.